Como se va, everybody? All right, today we're going to do tortellini soup. I think I got it pronounced right. All right, so we got the 10-quart Instant Pot out. We got it on saute mode. We're going to throw this stick of butter in there and let it melt. All right, so we got 2 links of Jimmy Dean sausage. We're going to dump that in here carefully so we don't get splashed with this grease. Sorry, with the butter. Light grease. All right, now we're going to get this brown down. Broke up here. All right, so our sausage is brown. So we are going to dump 2 cans of chicken broth in here. All right, so now we're going to dump 2 medium onions chopped and about 5 cloves of garlic. Now this is a double recipe. That mixed up a little bit. All right, let's go ahead and dump 2 cups of water in there. We're getting a little thick here. All right, we're going to dump 2 cans of Rotel. This is my daughter's recipe. I don't particularly care for Rotel, but we're going to see how this comes out. All right, now we have a half a teaspoon of oregano, half a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, and a half a teaspoon of red chili peppers. Let's get that stirred up in there. And we are still on saute mode, and I have never ever in my life even seen tomato paste in a freaking tube like toothpaste. What will they think of next? Guess it comes out of the tube better than it does out of the can, though. All right. Get all that mixed in there. Okay, so everything is ready to go. We sauteed another minute when we added everything in. Now we're going to dump this bag. Oh, and I added some black pepper in there. Forgot about that. We're going to add this bag of tortellinis in there. And go ahead and just kind of mix that up a little bit. Still not sure about this here, you know. We'll see. Looks like some overgrown noodles. Smells good. All right, so we're going to go ahead and put the lid on. Turn this thing so when we release the pressure, I'm not under my cabinet. Right there. We're going to do pressure cook for 2 minutes. All right, so it's done. We've done released the pressure. Go ahead and set our lid here. Go ahead and turn it just a little bit. Give it a stir. All right, we're going to add the heavy whipping cream in, 16 ounces. And again, this is a double batch. All right, now we got our Parmesan cheese in here. And we got a mess on the counter to clean up. Somebody flipped my little container over and it was too soft. So it slid on me. All right, so I'm going to get this mixed up and then we're going to get our spinach leaves and drop in here. All right, so we're going to put this bag with spinach leaves in there. 6 ounces. Looks like a lot to me, but my daughter seems to think it's just right. So we're going to get it mixed up in here. And then we're going to let it set for about 2 minutes or so that they can, as I guess they say, wilt down in there real good. Needs a little salt, but we didn't put any salt in there. Ça c'est bon. À la manger.